If you can figure out how to remove 2 nails in a few seconds, you must be a genius. These are not just any 2 nails, but in fact an IQ test question with a history of over 300 years. At first, you may think it's very simple. Can't you just take them out by rotating and bending them? But after you try, you will find that this method simply cannot separate the 2 nails. No matter which angle you rotate from, it seems that the cap will get in the way. People with quick thinking will quickly notice that there are some gaps in the middle of the 2 nails. Can you pass through these positions? Obviously, this is also in vain, and many people will give up at this point, thinking that this challenge is not a real puzzle. Please look carefully. The key to solving the puzzle is whether you can think independently. Place one of the nails in your left hand, and then use your right hand to rotate the nail 360 degrees. In this way, the 2 nails are successfully separated. Can we have a round of applause?